Finding the right support for your IT needs can make all the difference for your business. Today, we're diving into a topic that's vital for any business looking to elevate its technology support: choosing the right managed services provider. As George Mackay, CEO of GXA, puts it, choosing the right MSP is about more than just managing IT. It's about driving growth, enhancing efficiency, and ensuring long-term business success. When selecting an MSP, begin by assessing their experience and service offerings. A solid MSP should provide a comprehensive range of services like cloud management, cybersecurity, and IT support, all customizable to meet your unique requirements. Security is another key factor. A good MSP will offer robust cybersecurity measures, regulatory compliance, and proactive monitoring to prevent breaches and data loss. Next, look closely at their service level agreements, or SLAs. These define response and resolution times, ensuring your business remains operational with minimal downtime. Lastly, consider the MSP's cultural fit and communication style. An MSP should be more than a service provider. They should feel like a seamless extension of your team. By focusing on these factors, you can make an informed choice that strengthens your business and supports your long-term goals. That's all for today's episode. For more details, check out our latest blog and add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for easy access.